In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Payroll. If you're new to Zoho Payroll, or perhaps just looking to get around a little more efficiently, you're in the right place. Zoho Payroll is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline and simplify your payroll processes. Let's walk through how to access and navigate the main dashboard together. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zoho account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate and select the Zoho Payroll application from the list of available Zoho apps on your dashboard. You'll then be directed to the main Zoho Payroll dashboard, which is central to managing your payroll tasks seamlessly. Upon entering the dashboard, you'll see a variety of key features, each occupying a well-defined space, specifically tailored to cater to different aspects of payroll management. The interface is structured to make finding what you need intuitive and straightforward. On the dashboard, right at the top, you'll notice the Employees section. This area is crucial for managing all your employee data. It's where you can add or edit employee details, ensuring that all personal and professional information is up to date. Next, the Payruns section is pivotal when it comes time to process payroll. Here you can initiate payroll runs, review pending payrolls, and ensure there's no oversight before sending out payments. It's designed to simplify the payment process, ensuring accuracy and timeliness at every step. As you continue to explore, you'll find a section for Revisions Approval. This is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments to payroll before finalizing payment. You can track and approve any changes necessary easily from this section, making it an excellent tool for oversight. Loans is another important area on your dashboard. If your organization provides employee loans or advances, this section will enable you to manage all related activities. Here, you can keep track of loan disbursements, repayments, and monitor outstanding loans, maintaining clear records for both employers and employees. Moving on, the Giving section entails charitable contributions that your company or employees make, often seen in the form of payroll deductions for donations. This helps ensure that all charitable activities are properly recorded and reported. Additionally, there's the Documents section. This acts as a repository for all payroll-related documents. Whether it's pay slips, tax documents, or compliance papers, you can store and access these files swiftly from this component of the dashboard. The Reports section is indispensable when it comes to analysis and strategic planning. Here, you can generate various reports providing insights into your payroll processes, aiding in informed decision-making. Finally, Settings allows you to fine-tune the system according to your organization's needs. Customize how workflows function, manage role assignments, and adapt the system to better fit your operational structure. With this full view of the Zoho Payroll dashboard, you should feel much more confident moving around and utilizing its features to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your payroll activities.